Here are lessons I learned going to my first tax sale, and I want to share them with you so you can save some time, some money, and be able to go to your first tax sale as a beginner, bringing the experience of an investor expert with you. So, lesson number one that you need to learn, that I learned going to my first sale, is research and understanding is absolutely key. So remember, there are 3,300 counties in the US, and each county is like its own little kingdom with its own sets of rules, okay? So you need to learn the rules for each county. Just because you went to a tax sale in one county doesn't mean that the rules will be exactly the same in the county 2 minutes to the left. Well, in the next county over. Sometimes it's 2 minutes, sometimes it's 20 minutes. So learn the rules, all right? First off, from there, obviously be careful of understanding the difference between a tax lien and a tax deed. So as a beginner, you need to understand a deed is when you own the property free and clear, sometimes for up to 90 to 95% below market value. And the tax lien certificate is when you can get an interest rate of 18 to 36% that is guaranteed and secured by the government. So before you go to that sale, it's critical that you understand how to research property. All right, so you need to know the location, the zoning. You need to learn how title research is done in that county, okay? So you need to go into the county or call them or go through the county website and become familiar with it. So that was the first lesson that I learned, was going through the research, researching the county, all right? So the next lesson that I learned was to familiarize myself with the geographical areas of the city. All right. So I had a specific budget in mind when I was going to these tax sales. So for me, my first sale, I had $20,000 cash when I went to that sale. So it didn't make sense for me to bid on properties where the opening bid was like 25 to 30. In fact, I needed to go through that list and I needed to remove properties that were below that budget so I did not waste my time. So I recommend you doing the same thing. So if you're super serious about tax liens and deeds, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button. I give away to everybody that watches one of the best-selling books. You can get this thing. Like, this thing will walk you through how to do it. It's my notes over the years. So that link is posted below. Make sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Ask a question in the comments because I use those questions for future videos, and hit the notification bell. So you can use a site called areavibes.com to go and sort through the zip codes that you're interested in and exclude the bad zip codes.